16 plus 2 by 4 plus 1. And let me just go ahead and double check my work there. So 121. F of 4 plus h, 7 by 4 plus h quantity squared, plus 2 by 4 plus h plus 1. So every single x gets replaced with 4 plus h here. So f of 4 plus h, 7 by 4 plus h by 4 plus h, plus 8 plus 2h plus 1. A little reminder on this step, this will not give you a 16 plus h squared. So recall that a plus b quantity squared does not equal a squared plus b squared. Make sure you're foiling that out. So f of 4 plus h, 7 by 16 plus 4h plus 4h, so plus 8h plus h squared, plus 2h plus 9. A little bit of distributing next. So f of 4 plus h. So 7 by 16, 112, plus 56h, plus 7h squared, plus 2h plus 9. And we'll hit our like terms then. So 7h squared, only one of its kind. We have plus 56h plus 2h, so plus 58h. And then we have buck 12 plus 9 is buck 21. Okay, so I have all of the pieces now. So we'll do the limit as h goes to 0 of 7h squared plus 58h plus 121 minus 121, all divided by h. So 121 minus 121 is 0. Those will cancel out. And you might also notice that we have a common factor of h here. So we want the limit as h goes to 0 of h by 7h plus 58 all over h. H over h is 1. So now I want the limit as h goes to 0 of quantity 7h plus 58. Once I sub in a 0 there, I get 58. Okay, let me have you all practice one more with the square root. Let's see, so I'll give you g of x as root 5x, and this time we'll let a equal 2. So see if you can find that difference quotient at a equals 2. Okay, welcome back. So we're looking for the limit as h goes to 0 of g of 2 plus h minus g of 2 all over h. So we'll find our ingredients. G of 2, square root of 5 by 2, it's root 10. G of 2 plus h, square root of 5 by the quantity 2 plus h. So G of 2 plus h, square root of 10 plus 5h. Now we're ready to sub in, plug and chug. Limit as h goes to 0 of root 10 plus 5h minus root 10 all over h. And then that's where, since we have the indeterminate form 0 over 0, if we plug in the h equals 0 right now, we're going to have to use the conjugate again. So same deal, but with a plus. So square root of 10 plus 5h plus square root of 10. and then we'll multiply by that same value in the denominator. That way we're multiplying by something worth 1. So limit as h goes to 0, and we'll just FOIL out. So this thing times itself is 10 plus 5h. So square root times square root. You can drop the radicals when it's the same thing. Then we'll have plus and minus the same thing. Those will wipe each other out. And last times the last. Root 10 times root 10 is 10. Downstairs we still have the h by square root of 10 plus 5h plus root 10. So 10 minus 10 is 0. So we want the limit as h goes to 0. 5 hotel over hotel times square root of 10 plus 5 h plus root 10. Close it on up. H over h is 1. And now we're ready to let our h go to 0. So the limit as h goes to 0 of 5 over square root of 10 plus 5h plus root 10. So 5 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 10 is 10. So I have root 10 plus root 10 is 2 root 10. So I have 5 over 2 root 10. And then we just rationalize the denominator. So we have 5 root 10 over 2 by 10, 20. And 5 20ths is a quarter. So root 10 over 4. And that's as far as we can take that one. Okay, so in section 2.1, I would recommend 9 to 65 every other odd, which you will usually see me abbreviate as just EOO. 73 to 87 odd as well. So if you have any questions, please get in touch. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Stay safe out there.